Hi friends, in this video let us talk about the fundamentals test process, that is STLC. STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle, and which is also known as a test process used by the software development teams to ensure the quality and reliability of the software products. The STLC is a series of sequential steps that begin with the planning and preparation of testing and end with the final release of the software product. The typical phases of STLC include the requirement analysis phase, test planning phase, test case development phase, test environment setup phase, test execution, and test reporting and closure phases. So let's talk about the requirement analysis phase. In the requirement analysis phase, the business requirement is analyzed and a detailed report is prepared. And the output product of this requirement analysis phase is called the requirement documentation. The requirement document is a comprehensive document that includes all the details of the requirements for the software product. This document is the basis for creating test plan and the test cases. So next in line comes the test planning phase. So once you have gathered a general idea about what needs to be tested, you plan for the tests. The test output of this phase is called the test plan. This test plan includes the details about what types of tests need to be performed. It defines the testing priorities and focus areas. It also identifies the test environment that needs to be set up. It talks about the test tool selection details, test efforts, and many more. After the test planning, the next comes in the test case development phase. In this phase, the test cases are created based on the requirements and the test plan. The output products of this phase are the test cases, test scripts, test data, and the requirement traceability matrix, in short, RTM. So let's talk about what is RTM. RTM is a document that links the requirements to the test cases that are used to verify them. The RTM helps to ensure that all the requirements are covered by the test cases and that no requirement is left untested. So after the test case development phase, the next comes in the test environment setup phase. So in this phase, the test environment is prepared, including the hardware, the software, and the other resources that are required for the testing. And the output product for this phase is the test environment itself. After the test environment is set up, the actual execution phase comes in, that is the test execution phase. So in this phase, the testing is performed according to the test plan and the test cases. And the output product of this phase is the test defects and the test results that are produced after executing all the test cases, both manually and through automation. So after the test execution is done, the next phase is the test reporting and closure. In this phase, the test results are evaluated and a final report is prepared, and the test product is then ready to be released. The output products for this phase are the test metrics and the test closure report. So by following the STLC process, the software development teams can ensure that their products meet the required quality standards, that are free from defects and perform as expected. So team, this is all about the fundamental test process in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you in my next video. Thank you.